Hello guys. Last weekend I made a trip to the Oboadaka Falls in Aburi, eastern region of Ghana. The road to the falls was mostly tarred until it got rough at a point. We took the Dodowa road to Pokrom, which was about 46.3 kilometers. It was quite a journey, which lasted for approximately 3 hours, I might say. We paid a gate fee of 30 Ghana cedis. If you desire to take videos for a project, then you get charged for about 400 Ghana cedis. Upon arrival, we had to park in front of a house and take a walk for about 10 minutes along a rocky path to the falls. It was easier taking the steep stony stairs towards the waterfalls than climbing up of it. I have so much to criticize when it comes to tourist sites because I'm looking out for the best. This time, I don't have much to tell. The place is so gorgeous. The forest greens alone were a relaxing view. The sound of the waterfall sends chills down my spine. It was like falling in love all over again. And there was this moss covering the rocks with hanging ferns. Oh man, the sight was amazing. The sound of the birds, the movement of the water as it hits the rocks, the mountain, and the rocky view are serene. You need to visit this place. The issue I had with that site was that, again, there are no measures put in place for public marijuana smokers. They just do it anyhow to disturb other tourists, which is unreasonable and a little disrespectful. There need to be standardized regulation to govern the place. Also, I despise the untarred road and the fact that there is no restaurant or eatery around except a place called Stomach Clinic. Really, the name alone was scary enough to drive us away. But interestingly, when we got to our car, it had been washed by the local boys. That's a plus. If you ever choose to visit Oboadaka, come along with your own food. That is if you do not want to eat at the Stomach Clinic. We did not experience any insect bites. They had washrooms and electricity available. Need to run away from the urban noise? Try the Oboadaka Waterfall. It's the best place to meditate, relax, and heal.